Top 5 vitamins to reverse hypothyroidism. Hypothyroidism occurs when your thyroid gland doesn't produce enough hormones, leading to an underactive state. This can slow down your metabolism, cause unexplained weight gain, make you feel unusually cold, and even trigger hair loss, among other health issues. So what's really happening here? As shown in this image, the thyroid is a butterfly-shaped gland located in the front of your neck, just in front of the windpipe. This small but vital gland produces hormones that regulate many key functions in your body, including digestion, heart rate, breathing, body temperature, and bone health. When the thyroid isn't functioning properly or fails to produce enough hormones, a variety of symptoms can arise. Before jumping into the vitamins part, let's discuss about the signs and symptoms of hypothyroidism. Number 1. Thinning hair, especially on the outer parts of your eyebrows. Number 2. Difficulty handling cold temperatures. Number 3. Weight gain across your body. Number 4. Depression, fatigue, or feeling constantly low. Number 5. Some people may even develop deep vertical ridges along their nails. If left untreated, hypothyroidism can lead to nodules and goiters, which appear as lumps in the neck. In severe cases, it can result in a life-threatening condition known as myxedema coma, where the body's internal organs begin to slow down. Now let's discuss the top 5 vitamins for reversing hypothyroidism. Just a quick reminder, this video is for educational purposes only, so do speak to your doctor if you have any medical concerns. Vitamin number 1, bile salts. Around 80% of thyroid hormones are converted in the liver, not just in the thyroid itself. Liver issues such as fatty liver, gallstones, or heavy metal toxicity can disrupt this conversion process. Taking bile salts, 2 capsules before meals, can help thin bile, enhance the conversion of inactive thyroid hormone, T4, into its active form, T3, and detoxify the liver. This supports the removal of harmful toxins like mercury and other chemicals that may be causing inflammation and impairing thyroid function. Vitamin number 2, vitamin C complex. HASHIMOTO'S, the leading cause of hypothyroidism, is often linked to a leaky gut caused by gluten and grains. This condition allows toxins to enter the bloodstream, confusing the immune system and prompting it to attack the thyroid. Complete vitamin C can help repair gut damage and reduce inflammation. For effective gut healing, look for natural sources of vitamin C such as acerola cherry, cabbage, bell peppers, and cruciferous vegetables, as these contain bioflavonoids essential for restoring gut health. Vitamin number 3, selenium. You can take 200 microgram of selenomethionine or selenocysteine daily to support thyroid health. Selenium is an essential trace mineral that helps convert the inactive thyroid hormone, T4, into its active form, T3. Research shows that selenium supplementation can also reduce thyroid antibodies, helping to prevent further immune system attacks on the thyroid. Selenium plays a key role in balancing hormones, particularly in women, by enhancing liver function and increasing antioxidant levels, such as glutathione. If you're finding this information useful, please hit the like button, subscribe, and turn all notifications on to stay updated for my latest health and nutrition tips. Vitamin number 4, vitamin D3 and K2. Taking 10,000 IU of vitamin D3 with 100 microgram of vitamin K2 daily can help balance hormones and reduce thyroid inflammation. Vitamin D regulates the immune system, preventing it from attacking the thyroid. Many people with hypothyroidism are deficient in vitamin D, often due to insufficient sunlight or poor absorption. Additionally, vitamin D supports liver function by helping balance hormones and detoxify the body, both essential for reducing inflammation. Vitamin number 5, iodine and zinc. Iodine and zinc are essential trace minerals needed for thyroid hormone production. Iodine aids in the creation of T3 and T4 hormones, while zinc supports the thyroid in synthesizing new hormones. Consuming seafood such as sea kelp, nori, and shellfish 2 to 3 times per week can provide these minerals, or you can supplement with liquid trace mineral drops, 20 drops in water, daily. These minerals also promote healthy skin, hair, and nails by supporting thyroid-driven cell growth and collagen production. So it was all about my today's video. Thank you so much for watching. A like is always appreciated, and remember to subscribe and tap the bell for more videos. As always, I wish you great health, wealth, and happiness. I'll be back with an excellent video next time. Until that, take care of yourself.